Let P of x be the unique polynomial of minimal degree with the following properties. P of x has leading coefficient 1. 1 is a root of P of x minus 1. 2 is a root of P of x minus 2. 3 is a root of P of 3x. And 4 is a root of 4 of Px. Okay, so the roots of P of x are all integers with one exception. And so it's basically just find that exception. Okay, so now let's see how we can use this information to find the degree. So we know that 1 is a root of P of x minus 1. So P of 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. And 2 is a root of P of x minus 2, so we know that P of 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Because basically saying when we plug in x is equal to this number, then the result is 0. So we also know that P of 3 times 3 is equal to 0, and P of 4 times P of 4 is equal to 0. So then P of 1 is equal to 1, P of 0 is equal to 0, P of 9 is equal to 0, and P of 4 is equal to 0. So let's just assume that P of x is of minimal degree. So it's of degree 4 because we know that there's these 3 roots and another root that's not an integer. So let's just let it be x to the 4th plus ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. But we know that d is 0 because P of 0 is a root. So now we know this, and let's just let the roots be 0, 4, 9, and y is that m over n, the exception. So now that's 9. So now if that's y, then we can use Vieta's. So P of 1 is equal to 1. What's that saying is that a plus b plus c is equal to 0. And let's just solve for a plus b plus c in terms of these roots using Vieta's. So we know that a is going to be equal to the sum of all the roots, so it's going to be minus 13 minus y. B is going to be the positive, like each of the products separately. So it's just going to be 36 plus 13y, because that's just 4 times 9 plus 4 times y plus 9 times y, because the things with zeros don't matter. C is going to be negative the cross products with 3 terms. And so all the cross products with 0 cancel out, so it's just cross product 4 times 9 times y, which is 36y, but it's negative, so it's minus 36y. And the sum of those is 0. So negative 13 minus y plus 36 plus 13y minus 36y is equal to 0. Solving, we have 23, just these, minus 24y is equal to 0. So then, therefore, we know that 23 is equal to 24y, so y is equal to 23 24th. And so that's the other root. So then 23 plus 24 is d47. This problem was slightly misplaced. It was slightly easy once you looked through these things, decided that the polynomial would be of degree 4, and then used Vieta's. So that's basically the main idea of this problem.